pointed our cars at the border with Rwanda, and set off on a 600-mile journey to what we now knew was the true source of the Nile.
I wonder if we're heading towards that massive rain cloud. Yeah, we are, aren't we?
As the miles rolled by, we started to climb into the mountains.
Oh, wow, this is very, very pretty here.
But we couldn't really admire the view because the road was starting to be a bit of a test for two of the 1,500 quid second-hand cars.
Double dash plate's earning its keep today.